naturally flowing for narration. Hey there. Welcome back to Topic Trick, your place for mastering Rexx scripting and mainframe skills. If you're new here and want to stay ahead with automation and powerful scripting techniques, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our full Rexx course on Udemy. You don't want to miss it. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical parts of Rexx, how we handle input and output. Whether you're building automation scripts or just creating utilities, knowing how to interact with the user and files is absolutely essential. Let's start with reading input from the terminal. In Rexx, we commonly use the pull instruction. When you use pull, Rexx pauses and waits for the user to type something. Once the user enters the text and hits enter, Rexx captures that text into a variable. For example, if you write something like pull user input, Rexx will wait for the user to type a value and then store whatever they entered into the variable called user input. Another great instruction is parse. Now, parse is more powerful because it lets you break the input into multiple pieces and assign each piece to different variables. So if someone types 2 words separated by a space, you can easily split and store them separately without writing extra logic. Now, what about giving output back to the terminal? That's where say comes in. It's simple. You use say followed by the message you want to display. Like say hello world. Whatever you put after say shows up instantly on the screen. It's the easiest way to provide feedback or display results during script execution. Another handy command for output is trace. While say shows normal messages, trace is more about debugging. When you use trace, Rexx will display each instruction as it executes. This is super helpful when you're trying to understand how your script flows or when you're chasing down a tricky bug. That covers terminal interaction, but what if you want to work with files or datasets? That's where things get even more powerful. Rexx can easily read from and write to files using Exessio. For example, you can read lines from a dataset into a variable, process them, and even write them back. With Exessio, you specify how many lines you want to read or write, where the data should go, and which dataset or file you're working with. It's incredibly flexible. Whether you need to read a whole file into memory or write out a report line by line, Exessio handles it smoothly. And yes, you can interact directly with datasets on the mainframe. You just need to allocate them properly before using Exessio. Once allocated, reading from or writing to datasets is just as straightforward as working with normal files. Input and output are the foundation of making your scripts dynamic and useful. By mastering instructions like pull, parse, say, trace, and Exessio, you'll be able to build scripts that are interactive, intelligent, and powerful. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this session helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Topic Trick, and don't forget to check out our full Rexx course on Udemy, where we guide you step by step from beginner basics to advanced projects. See you in the next video.